introduce yourself and tell us about your business.
Hi, my name is Abe Kao. I'm the owner of Clearbright Washing. Clearbright Washing, we're based in Minneapolis, but we service commercial and residential properties all over the Twin Cities Metro. So we provide window washing and window cleaning, carpet cleaning, gutter cleaning, pressure and soft exterior washing, air ducts, and dryer pane cleaning.
Very good. So how do you serve your clients?
We serve our clients. There's two tracks. One is on the commercial side. So commercial side, it could be commercial property managers. It could be hotels, apartments, condos, the office buildings, retail spaces. We serve those clients by providing these specialized services and cleaning services so they keep their places welcoming, clean, comfortable, and then good for the business. On the residential side, we help partner with realtors. We get listings, properties ready for listings, showings, and any open houses, and for move-in and move-outs, as well as homeowners. So homeowners who want to keep their spaces clean, that's and bright and comfortable. That's where we can come in and help them out.
Oh, all right. Cool. What's one piece of inspiration that drives you or could benefit others?
One piece of inspiration. So I got a couple of them. One is a quote one is a piece of advice my father gave me, and he said, "Keep God center in your life." So I think, regardless of whatever situation we're going through in life, you really got to have an anchor, and having God as my center and my anchor has been a guiding light, and also an encouragement and a protection throughout my life. So really thank God for being the center of my life. And also through life experiences, I realized good people make things work. Absent of good people, a lot of things aren't sustainable. Things break up. So good people with integrity working together can really do some amazing things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All those things are good.
Mm-hmm.
Good quotes.
Yeah. Thanks.
You have a good dad. Yep. What's the moment in your journey that changed everything?
Moment, but journey. Let's go back to a specific day, was December 19, 2010. So I was visiting a friend over in Indonesia, and we went to Bali. And on the second day, it had been raining in the morning, so I ate a big breakfast buffet. We did till the rain passed. Around noon or 1 o'clock, the rain did pass, but the winds were still pretty strong. So took the opportunity to go out swim some more in the ocean, especially because we don't have oceans here. But the wind made for some big waves, which eventually kept going out further, and then I got hit by a sequence of waves that threw me down the coast, out in the water, and deep into water. And when I came up to the surface, my contacts had fallen out, and all I could see was sky and water. So I thought, oh shoot, where am I? So I spun around, turned myself around way off in distance. I could still see the shore. And so I started swimming back because at least I knew my orientation. It was far, but I knew which way to go. I kept swimming, and then I'm getting kind of tired, so I reached down with my foot, trying to find something to stand on. Because where I had been playing, there was a sand bed that I could touch with the tips of my toes. But when I reached down this time, there wasn't anything there, so getting kind of concerned. But I keep swimming.
Yeah.
Now I'm exhausted, nearly spent, so I'm terrified. I reached down with my foot, try to find something to stand on, still nothing. So now I'm terrified because I don't know how deep the water is,
Yeah.
what's underneath me, and I'm almost have no energy left. So I'm terrified. I'm treading water, and I think this might be it. I might not see my family again. And when that thought crossed my mind, that immense, heavy sadness went way down to my heart. So between being terrified and really sad, I said, I have to make it back. I have to. And so I put my head in the water and I swam as hard as I could, and everything just went dark. And I saw my body. It was silent, quiet, peaceful, almost eerily peaceful. And I saw my body just gently sinking into an abyss. So am I dreaming? and I didn't go back to the hotel room, so I know I'm in ocean still. It's like, "God, wake me up, wake me up, wake me up." Next thing I knew, I was being lifted into from my ATV into an ambulance. I couldn't open my eyes. I could hear, and when they lifted my body, it felt like I was gonna shatter into 1,000 pieces, but I don't know how it happened. I got rescued somehow. I just
Mhm.
no, thank God I'm still here. He saved me. It must have been fairly quick because someone not breathing for a while is gonna have certain complications. So, yeah, I'm testament of God's salvation and why I'm here today.
Yeah, you got saved,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
now
this,
you have a second chance.
yeah, yeah.
Yep.
So that taught me a big perspective is in the end, there's life and death. There's a lot of stuff in between that causes us anxiety and stress.
Mhm.
But as long as we're alive and living, we can choose to live.
Yep.
So,
Don't take life for granted.
no, no.
Yep. Why do you do what you do?
I do what I do because I worked 20 years in corporate.
Mm.
So I was working for some large financial service companies, doing accounting, the internal controls over financial reporting, risk management, and compliance. And
Mhm.
through, I was good at it, but there came to a point where I had a couple of experiences that I made me consider, and I really deliberately considered and I prayed about it, um, and made a firm decision to go into business. Now, I had been wanting to do a business, even going back to high school, but once you're in corporate and you have steady, increased responsibilities, hiring teams, have, a certain level of achievement in the corporate world, kind of tends to kind of suck you in and take up all your time. So wasn't able to pursue a business. Now, after that decision
Mhm.
of doing the business, 100% decision, I felt that this is what I want to do. I want to build a good company, ones that's sustainable. We're gonna have a good culture, good people, and ultimately be a pillar in the community. Not just providing a service, but also to be involved and give back to the people in the communities that we serve. So that's the purpose behind this business. Very much people centric and people focused.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's kind of similar to what I did.
Mm.
Um, so, all right. Who do you serve and what problem do you solve for them?
Yep. As I earlier mentioned, so
Mhm.
commercial and residential
Yeah.
customers and clients,
Okay.
problem we solve for them is that cleaning take takes technique, skill,
Mhm.
and a certain level of ability to do it well and do it timely.
Yep.
Uh, takes a lot of time and effort. So property managers, people who need to maintain their spaces, keep it open for business, probably not gonna have enough time to be able to do the cleaning themselves and serve their customers. So that's where we come in. We can take care of things in a good manner, on time, non-intrusive, so they can keep their doors open and inviting and welcoming guests. On the residential side, same problem. People getting up on ladders to go clean their gutters, for instance, or their windows,
Mhm.
and risking a fall could be uh, catastrophic or severe
Yeah, it's
injury.
dangerous.
Yeah, dangerous. Yeah.
Mm.
So we eliminate that from them. Yet they still get clean windows and clean gutters. So it's an opportunity cost.
Yeah,
They can do it themselves, maybe not as well, but or they can outsource it to us where we get up there, clean it nicely
and you
with
can
the
do it
different
faster.
tools and yeah, faster too.
Mhm.
Mhm.
What's one turning point or story that shaped your mission?
Shit, my mission. I don't think there's been one particular story or instance. It's more been among accumulation of different experiences through life that really help solidify my belief and also my faith, but also what I'm doing and my purpose here on earth.
Mhm.
Um, s- in my younger days, I felt like, you got to study hard to achieve and then, climb the corporate ladders, stuff like that. But once you do that, you realize, well, it's not all cracked up to it's not what we dreamed it was. But what really drives me is having those relationships with people, being able to encourage each other, uplift each other, um, take care of each other, and being people centric and with that purpose is really good. So whether it's our business and our everyday life, we can always touch somebody and help encourage and uplift each other.
Good. So what's a belief, lesson, or piece of advice you wish more people knew?
The piece of advice, one that I think is topmost in my book is preparation is confidence. So whether that's studying for exam while in school or prepping for a big meeting at the workplace, or now we have to make sure we're prepared to go to whatever cleaning we're doing. We got to make sure that we have our tools, our supplies stocked up. Is our checklist done? Because you want to go prepared, ready to do a good job, and even visualize and go through the cleaning or whatever thing that you're going through. Proper preparation gives you that confidence to be able to do it.
That's good.
Yeah.
Good advice.
Thanks.
If someone's listening, want to take the first step with you, what should they do?
If you need any of the services, reach out to us. You can check out our services at clearbrightwashing.com. Check out our services. You can email us directly at connect@clearbrightwashing.com or call me at 612-444-9875, or you can follow us on Instagram and Facebook or LinkedIn.
Thank you.
Yep. All right.